How to paint exterior wood. Painting your home is a big job, but you can do it. We'll show you how with these tips. Plan ahead. Check the weather in general. You shouldn't paint in weather hotter than 90 degrees or below 50 degrees, and if rain is expected in the next 3 days, delay your paint job. Take a look at your project. Loose or peeling paint? Holes that need to be filled? Okay, now gather your supplies. Give your project a thorough deep clean with a power washer. Clean any mildew. Allow 24 hours for your project to thoroughly dry prior to painting. Remove any loose paint. Prep work is key. You should plan time to properly prepare for your project. Remove shutters to paint separately. Cover your windows and doors with plastic. Also, be aware of plants or bushes that need to be protected from paint. Fill any holes and cracks. Plan and prep. First, prime your surface. Primer helps seal the wood and increase the surface's durability. We recommend Zinsser Peel Stop Triple Thick, 3 times thicker and twice as flexible as ordinary primer. Zinsser Peel Stop Triple Thick levels uneven edges and glues down remaining small paint chips that lead to top coat cracking. Primer increases the top coat paint's durability. Use quality paint. We recommend Studio Color Exterior Paint, Advanced Paint, and Primer. When painting the exterior, use a high-quality paintbrush and a paint roller with a 3/8 to 1/2 inch nap. On rougher surfaces, use a roller with a 3/4 to 1 inch nap. Brush paint onto narrow surfaces, edges, and smaller areas. Use your paint roller to paint large and long surfaces such as siding and trim. Painting in a natural light will help you catch any uneven patches. You may need to backbrush in some areas, such as the bottom edge. Pro tip: backbrushing. Backbrushing is the process of working the paint into a rougher surface after it's been painted. Backbrushing should be done while the paint is still wet. With a brush or roller, work the paint into the cracks and crevices on the surface. Exterior window painting. Work from the sashes out to the frames when repainting exterior windows, sashes, sills, and jambs. Pro tip: when painting trim, windows, and doors, work from the top to bottom. Painting shutters. After you've thoroughly cleaned and made any necessary repairs, paint with careful attention to the crevices. Pro tip: if you're painting any wood white, we recommend using an oil-based primer to prevent tannin bleed into the paint. Once everything is dry, reattach your shutters. You did it! Job well done!